Good morning friends, I am back again with one more video lecture on the topic partial differentiation. Now we will solve one of the interesting problem based on the partial differentiation, and problem is if theta is equal to t to the power n e to the power minus r square upon 4 times t, what value of n will make this left hand side del theta by del t is equal to 1 upon r square del by del r square del theta by del r. Now solution of this problem, here theta is equal to e to the power n e to the power minus r square upon 4 times t be the given part. Now in this problem, this theta be the dependent variable and t and r be the independent variable. Now first we calculate this del theta by del t, that means we differentiate with respect to t keeping other variable constant. Here other means r, keeping r constant. Now derivative of theta with respect to t, answer is del theta by del t. Now this is the function of t and this e to the power minus r square upon 4 times t is also a function of t. So now here this is denoted by u and this next denoted by v. So now by applying the product rule of differentiation, this u as it is means t to the power n as it is. Derivative of v means derivative of e to the power minus r square upon 4 times t. Now derivative of e to the power minus r square upon 4 times t, answer is e to the power minus r square upon 4 times t times minus r square upon 4, this is as it is because it is constant. Now derivative of 1 upon t, answer is minus 1 upon t square, plus now this v as it is derivative of u means derivative of t to the power n, answer is n times t to the power n minus 1 and this e to the power minus r square upon 4 times t as it is. Now in this calculation, this t to the power n be the common term and e to the power minus r square upon 4 times t is also the common term. The e to the power minus r square upon 4 times t times, now remaining part is here be the minus minus plus r square times 1 upon 4 times t square, now plus n and this t to the power minus 1. Now by using the given term, this is the theta. Now again this t to the power minus 1 means 1 upon t. Here 1 upon t is also the common term, the theta upon t. Now here is r square upon 4 times t plus this n. This is the del theta by del t. Now it is denoted by equation 2. Now we find the right hand side, 1 upon r square del by del r square del theta by del r. So first we calculate this del theta by del r, and del theta by del r means derivative of theta with respect to r keeping t constant. Now again differentiating this given part with respect to r keeping t constant. Now derivative of theta with respect to r, answer is del theta by del r. Now this is equal to, now here t is constant, therefore t to the power n as it is, derivative of this e to the power minus r square upon 4 times t, answer is e to the power minus r square upon 4 times t times, now derivative of r square, answer is 2 times r, here answer is minus 2 times r upon 4 times t. Now 2 get cancelled from the numerator and denominator. Now this part is denoted by theta, answer is theta times minus r upon 2 times t. Now we write this part as del theta by del r is equal to this minus 1 upon 2 times t, this theta times r. This is the equation number 3. Now here is r square del theta by del r. That is, multiplying this del theta by del r by r square, we get r square del theta by del r is equal to minus 1 upon 2 times t. Theta times r square, that means r times r square, answer is r cube. Now again differentiating this term with respect to r, keeping t constant. Now derivative of this with respect to r, keeping t constant, answer is del by del r square del theta by del r. Now this minus 1 upon 2 times t, this is the constant term, so this is as it is. Now here theta times r cube. Now again applying the product rule of differentiation, this theta is as it is, derivative of r cube, answer is 3r square, plus this r cube is as it is, derivative of theta, answer is del theta by del r. Now by using equation 3, this del theta by del r is equal to, answer is, this del theta by del r is minus 1 upon 2 times t theta times r. Now simplification. In this bracket, theta and r square be the common term. The answer is minus theta times r square upon this 2 times t. Now here is 3 only. Now plus minus, answer is minus. Now r square be the common, theta be the common. Here r times r, answer is r square upon this 2 times t. Now dividing this whole term by r square. Dividing by r square. The answer is 1 upon r square del by del r square del theta by del r is equal to, now this r square get cancelled, minus theta upon 2 times t, 3 minus r square upon 2 times t. Now it is denoted by number 4. Now in this problem, our aim is to find the value of n, so that this del theta by del t is equal to 1 upon r square del by del r square del theta by del r. So therefore suppose this del theta by del t is equal to 1 upon r square del by del r square del theta by del r. Now the answer of del theta by del t, answer is theta by t r square upon 4 times t plus n. Now this is equal to, now answer of this term, so from equation 4, answer is minus theta upon 2 times t times 3 minus r square upon 2 times t. Now theta is cancelled from the LHS and RHS. Similarly, t is cancelled from the left hand side and right hand side. Now simplification, r square upon 4 times t plus n is equal to, now minus 1 by 2 times 3, answer is minus 3 by 2. Now again minus 1 by 2 times minus, the answer is plus r square upon 2 times t means r square upon 4 times t. Now this r square upon 4 times t, this r square upon 4 times t get cancelled from the left hand side and right hand side. And therefore finally we get n equal to minus 3 by 2. And therefore we get the value of n equal to minus 3 by 2. Hope all of you have understood this problem. In the upcoming lecture, we will solve some more problems based on the partial differentiation. Please subscribe the channel and let me know your comments and feedback. Thank you.